सो गाइस, दिस शो मैं बैक विद अनदर वीडियो ऑन माय चैनल रॉ एंड रियल। और ये ओनली बार्बल सीरीज का कंटिन्यूशन है। एंड आई एम गोना शो यू सम एक्सरसाइज दैट यू कैन डू विद द barbell and some weights to target your anterior, lateral and posterior head. um, 4 exercises, and that's gonna be all. You can do up to 4 sets of 15 repetitions or anything that you want to. Design it according to your plans. If you have weights and a barbell, you can do it. Just program it on your way, and I will give you the exercise. Wait till the end. There are there are 2 to 3 exercises in this video you will find that you have never done, and I can give it for sure. And I have explained it in explained one by one every exercise. I hope it helps you. Share this video if you want, if it helps you, and like this video, share and subscribe only if you like this video and only if you like my content. So guys, even before starting this video, I want to tell that just look at this anatomy of the shoulder muscles that I am putting on. The first exercise is going to be standing military presses to target your anterior and lateral head. This is a compound movement, of course, and the breathing portion, there is two: concentric and eccentric phase. So you have to remember that the concentric phase is when the load goes up in any movement, then you have to breathe out, and when the load is coming down, you have to basically breathe in. That's the eccentric phase of your exercise. So to get the most optimal results from this exercise, you have to you have to remember that keep your wrist straight and not do in this way. The next exercise is going to be your side lateral raises. So if you don't have dumbbell, you can do it like this. I'm keeping basically in the chair because my barbell height is not that my barbell is not that big in height, so I'm keeping on my chair and doing this exercise. But you can also do it on the keeping on the ground. It will be for your targeting your lateral head, as I said. And the next exercise is going to be your front raises, which is basically to target your anterior head. And this is every gym goer's favorite exercise, and also, as you all know. And here also you can see that how I'm like breathing out when I'm taking the weight up, and here I'm breathing in when I'm taking the weight down. The next exercise is going to be an exercise that I don't see most gym goers do, but it's a great exercise. See how beautifully the rear delts are getting targeted. And this is what I call a rear delt press, you can say. Rear delt press or rear delt fly, I don't know. I don't know this exercise, like I saw this 2 years back, and from that I'm doing, but I forgot the exercise name. But it targets the rear delt very beautifully, and this is one of my favorite exercises when it comes to targeting the rear delts. So guys, that was it for this video. I hope you like this video, and एक विनती है।
अरे भाई, भाई समझ के बोल रहा हूँ यार, बुरा लगता है भाई, आप लोग भी जानते हो यार।
70% people subscribe who watch the video, and just watch it and don't subscribe to my channel. So I want you all, if you watch this video and this video helps you, please subscribe, like this video and share it with your friends.